Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now before we start today's lesson, let's get started with the warm-up. We're going to count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. Alright, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. Alright, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Make sure it's nice and loose. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. Alright, now this time, here's what we're going to start putting our hands on our hips. We're going to rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. Alright, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Then the other way. We're going to keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. Alright, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down, and we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and start stretching out our legs a little bit. And put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're going to bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. Alright, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. Alright, now we're going to bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. Make it star shaped like this. We're going to go down to one side. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time cross your arms, head down to the middle. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. Alright, shake out your hands, shake out your legs. Good. Alright, get started with the lesson. Jariet, Kenya. Alright, let's begin the first lesson. Hi everybody. So in this part of the lesson, we're going to practice a combination. Okay, so hands up, fighting stance. Alright, here's a combination. We're going to go jab, cross, angle, cross. Okay, so let's practice that together. So I'm going to say jab, cross, angle, cross. Awesome, good. Again, ready? Jab, cross, angle, cross. Awesome. All right, I'll do it from your point of view so you can see. So again, we're gonna go jab, cross, angle, cross. Awesome, good job, you guys. Two more times. Jab, cross, angle, cross. Awesome, good. One more time. Jab, cross, angle, cross. Awesome, good. All right, so here's the fun game we're gonna practice, okay? So we're gonna throw two punches just like this. Now after you do those two punches, a beam's gonna shoot straight down. we gotta make sure we get out of the way of the beam before we throw our reverse punch, before we throw our cross. Okay, let's practice that together. So I'm gonna go jab, cross. Okay, now wait for the beam, don't anticipate, and go. Cross, awesome, good. All right, now the beam can come out real fast or it can come slow. So be prepared, ready? Jab, cross, angle, cross, good. Again, jab, cross, angle, cross. Yeah, that time was fast. Okay, ready? Jab, cross. All right, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Angle, cross. Good job, again. And go. Jab, cross, angle, cross. Awesome, good job. 2 more times, ready? Jab, cross. Good. All right, wait for it. It's gonna come any second. Ready, go. Angle, cross. Good, nice. 1 more time, ready? And go. Jab, cross, angle, cross. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very good work today. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way. Hi everybody, Master Kelly. I want to share today's tip of the day. Now, I want you guys to think about someone you really care about. Maybe it's a best friend, maybe it's a family member, right? And I want you to imagine this person having a really bad day. Now, if this person's having a bad day, what do? Well, you probably try to cheer them up, you try to console them, you try to be nice to them, right? Now, what if this friend of yours is doing something bad and you know it's bad for them, but they're really happy doing it? What would a good friend do? Right? Yes, you're right. So a good friend would tell them in a nice way that their friend is doing something wrong, right? Even though they're happy about it, they would tell them it's wrong. Now, why am I telling you guys this? Well, I think for many of us, sometimes we treat other people nicer than we treat ourselves, right? Especially if we're starting to feel depressed, or maybe we feel down on ourselves, maybe we're dealing with a difficult situation, right? And whenever we're in a difficult situation, we tend to be a little harder on ourselves. We tend to judge ourselves. We tend to be really impatient with ourselves. But the lesson is this. Remember what Jesus teaches, right? He teaches that we should love our neighbor as ourselves. But before we do that, we love God with our whole heart, soul, and mind. Which also means that you are a creation made by God, made in His image and likeness. And the reason why you're here, right, why you're watching this video, why you exist on this planet, is because God loves you and He created you for a purpose, right? Now, you are a work of art. Really. And I truly mean that. And God means that too. Which means this. Why would you insult a work of art? Why would you be mean to a work of art? Right? You wouldn't do that, right? Same way you wouldn't do that to a friend. So, next time you feel down on yourself, next time you're dealing with something difficult, ask your guardian angel to help you, okay? Your guardian angel has been assigned to you. God assigned you and me a guardian angel that we can communicate with, that will fill us with good thoughts, that will fill us with things that are going to make us get holy and overcome difficult situations. So, pray to your guardian angel, pray to them every single day. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time.